Introduction. Breaking the political glass ceiling. Women are making history by shattering the political glass ceiling and transforming the governments around the world. This presentation explores the impact of female leaders and challenges they face. Data collection and analysis. The rise of female leaders. From Angela Merkel to Jacinda Ardern, women are increasingly taking the helm of government. This slide highlights some of the most notable female leaders and their achievements. The importance of intersectionality. Gender is just one aspect of identity that shapes a person's experience and opportunities in politics. This slide explores the importance of intersectionality and the need to address multiple forms of discrimination and inequality. Benefits of female leadership. Research shows that female leaders bring unique skills and perspectives to governance, resulting in more inclusive policies and better outcome for society. This slide explores the benefit of having more women in power. Women are breaking barriers in politics around the world, but the challenges they face and the progress they have made vary by region. This slide showcases some of the most notable female leaders from different parts of the world. The role of men in supporting women's leadership. Men have a crucial role to play in advancing gender equality and supporting women's leadership. This slide explains the way in which men can be allies and advocates for women in politics. Conclusion. Women are breaking barriers and transforming governance around the world, but there is still much work to be done to achieve gender parity in politics. This presentation has highlighted the challenges and opportunities for women in politics and the importance of continued action and support. Bibliography. Resources available. Some popular books on this topic include Women, Politics and Power by Julie Dolan and Melissa M. Deckman, Half the Sky, Turning Oppression into Opportunity for Women Worldwide by Nicholas D. Christoph and Sherry Wooden, and The Road to Seneca Falls, Elizabeth Cady Stanton, and the First Women's Rights Convention by Judith Wellman. These books provide valuable insight into the history and current state of women's involvement in politics.